one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. There are areas of life that have felt rusty and stiff. They've resisted movement. It's like a bicycle chain that has grown rusty, and as you try to turn it, nothing is moving. But the Lord says, I am bringing the oil of gladness anew, for that which has been stuck will begin to move. And I see oil being added to the chain, and as it is, things begin to move, restoration occurs. The Lord is inviting you back into a place of worship, back into a place of thanksgiving, back into a place where your heart is softened by His presence. For the Lord says, I am at work, doing more than you could have imagined. Enter my presence in worship, enter my courts in praise and thanksgiving, in the knowledge that I am at work. Do not be afraid, do not underestimate the power of worship, the power of joy in my presence. For I am the Lord who strengthens you, I am the Lord who makes all new, the Lord who restores and heals. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.